Brad Hall here. Today I am going to be talking about the Yeezy 380 Mist. I'm going to talk about this shoe, going to give you some style tips, and I am going to compare the comfort of this model to the Yeezy 350. Before I get into this shoe, I just wanted to mention that the set is a little bit different today. That's because I am filming in my bathroom using the Zoom video recording technology. That's what I'm doing today, and I took this opportunity to really imagine what my dream set would be. So that's what you're seeing right now. This is the second colorway of the 380. And it's actually a very nice colorway. It's got a very earthy, natural look up top. It's a mix of these blue grays and then kind of a pinkish tan in this little area and on the laces. The midsole is a plain Jane, just a little creamy, and I like that a lot. And then on the bottom, very dark down here. This colorway is definitely not as iconic as that alien colorway, but I think it's very wearable. I won't feel as nervous about getting this dirty. On top of that, I actually do prefer the darker upper with the light midsole. It kind of breaks up the bulbousness of this model. With this colorway, if you wear a white sock, you're gonna notice the sock-like fit even more. You don't get the nice blending from upper to sock. So that is something to keep in mind with this one. To style this shoe, my suggestions, I would go with a pair of socks that does minimize the sock-like upper, a darker pair of pants that is going to compete with these shoes. I would go lighter, let the shoes shine. Up top, I would go with some earth tones, maybe some browns, some beiges. Those are some things to keep in mind with this shoe. I think any of those options would work well. Now, I wanted to really test the comfort of these two shoes, the 380 and the 350. Unfortunately, I am trying to stay inside, so I can't put a lot of miles on them, but I can still bring you that comfort test today. I've got one on each foot, and I am gonna put them through their paces as best as I can right now. Let's do that. So after that testing, here are my thoughts. The Yeezy 380 is definitely more comfortable than the 350. You are getting a lot more boost with the 380. The 380 also feels a lot more sturdy. So that was my show today. Maybe one day I will get an actual set like this. And until then, this technology, it does seem adequate because this looked pretty cool.